Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 20 divide 5 plus 5 minus 1. Okay, now let's solve this problem by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, so PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. P means first priority is parenthesis, E means second priority is exponents. M means multiplication and D means division. A means addition and S means subtraction. Okay. So multiplication and division both have equal priority, and also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. Now let's solve this problem. So here is one division, here is one addition, and here is one subtraction. According to the PEMDAS rule, first priority is division, then addition and subtraction. Okay. So first we have to solve this division. So 20 divided 5 is equal to 4 plus 5 minus 1. Okay. Now here is one addition and here is one subtraction. So addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So first we have to solve this part. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 minus 1. Now 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Therefore the correct answer is 8. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. Do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.